Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable secure boot on this laptop. To do it, first power on your PC by pressing the power button and then repeatedly press F2 key to enter the BIOS menu. Once you enter the BIOS menu, you can stop clicking this button, then go into the security section right here. And when you are in security section, scroll all the way down, lower, to the secure boot feature. Now you can switch it to disabled if you want to disable it by expanding this list and selecting a different option. Now once you're content with your choice, press F10 to apply changes and enter to exit. Otherwise, you can click escape and then select no to discard changes. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.